Welcome everybody to another episode of MRC, Motorcycle Rides in California. And you know what I wanted to do today was do something a little different. Wanted to do a kind of test on video editing, putting the camera, the GoPro in different positions on the bike or on my body or different things like that. But what I wanted to do was give you guys a different look throughout different areas. I filmed these areas mainly in Fallbrook, San Diego. I just want you guys to enjoy, to have fun. I did a little commentary. There is some jokes, so stick around to the very end. There is some funny stuff. I run into a hothead car driver. But other than that, guys and gals, I hope you enjoy it. Please give me a thumbs and a like and all that fun stuff. And other than that, enjoy, guys. Ride safe, ride smart, and don't do drugs. Oh, and by the way, I got some more filming that I got coming up. I have one, Top Gun. Yeah. 2, I got a review for my daughter's bike that I'm going to be putting out pretty soon as well. And then of course, I got a couple other trails. I have some other ones such as Palomar, the one side that got freshly repaved. I am just dying to do that one. So anyways, guys and gals, I just want to let you know that. It shoots flames. This whole time I didn't know it did. Ah, that's funny. It looks like a Harley. I can't tell though. I'll find out in 2 seconds when he goes straight. Wow, I can't believe it hasn't turned green yet. That's kind of weird. Well, that's weird. Huh. That like took forever. Hopefully what I'll do is I'll get a little bit closer on the flames. Whoa. Stay put, homie. You ready? That's awesome. Yeah, you're special, all right. Guys and gals, I really hope you enjoyed that video. And again, I tried different little angles. I want to have fun and just do different styles. I'm just having fun. And again, remember, this is, if you get to this point, first and foremost, I appreciate it. But second of all, this is just a hobby. I have fun. I like doing this. This is something that I've always done ever since I was a kid, was go motorcycle riding. But you know, I thought, why not just have fun, post videos like this, have fun. You know, this world needs a little bit of happiness and some other things as well, but we'll go into that. But I tell you, let's just have fun, guys. Keep riding, be safe out there, and take care.